First of all, if you would like to see more videos about Hanja, please let me know in the comments below. Today we're going to be learning about this character, which is 매. Now, the point of these videos isn't to teach you how to read or write these characters. That's less important, but it's teaching you how to understand what they mean, to know their sound, and to be able to recognize them when you see them in other words. So, 매 means each or every. It can mean both. And this originally was a pictograph of a mother taking care of her child wearing a hairpin. And it's used to signify that a mother's duty is always constant. Well, I mean, it's an old character, but that's what it used to mean, and that's how it got the meaning of every or each. And you'll see this used directly before other hanja, so it means each of that hanja or every of that hanja. And the first word I want to give you that uses this is, maybe you already know this one, 매일. So every, 일 is day. So every day or each day. Now, I've gotten this question a lot. Billy, what's the difference between 매일 and 맨날? Now, in actual usage today, 맨날 is used in the same way as 매일, but 맨날 is only an informal. So it kind of sounds more like a slang word almost. It's more of an informal usage. But originally, this is actually an unrelated different word. This doesn't come from this. This actually just comes from another word, 만날. And 맨날 was a kind of like a slang version of this word. 만날 meant continuing on and on, like every day. So it has more of a meaning of something's continuing on, as if it's going on every single day, and it doesn't just have the meaning of every day. Anyway though, if you want to sound more formal, or if you're writing an essay, avoid this one completely, just use 매일 to mean every day. And just like there is 매일 for every day, there's also 매주 for every week and 매월 for every month. Now you might also see the word 매달. Now 달 is the pure Korean word for month and 월 is the Sino-Korean word. They both have the same meaning. The only difference would be that 매월 has a slightly more formal, more of an official feel to it than 매달. So if you're writing an essay or you're writing like a news article or something like that that's a little more official, then you would want to use 매월 instead. Next, for every year, 매년. Note, this is not the word for year. This is simply the hanja for year. If you want to say year, the normal word could be 해, if you want to talk about a specific year. Or if you want to say this year, 올해, 올해. Next year, 내년. And last year, 작년. This one though can be used when you're counting years. So if you want to say like 3 years, you can say 3년, 5년 for 5 years, and so on. Don't use this by itself to mean year. This one, if you use it as a word, it's not the hanja word, 년, it becomes it's kind of like a swear word. It's a derogatory word for a female. A lot of beginners make this mistake by talking about the year by using this. That's not what it means. So just be careful. And 2 more words that use this are 매번. 번 means times. So every time. Or 매사. Now, 매사 is a formal hanja word. So you're not going to be using this in your day-to-day conversations with your friends, but you might see it in more formal situations, and it means everything. So every single thing there is. So are there any other words that you've seen that use 매, or any words that you commonly use that use it? Please let me know in the comments below. I do check all of those. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next episode. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!